Alhamdulillah, we have the blessed month of Ramadan upon us and everybody sending greetings. But what is the sunnah? Let's revive the sunnah this Ramadan. Talha bin Ubaidullah reports that when Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam was given the glad tidings of the hilal of Ramadan or any other month, he would say, Allahumma ahillu alayna bil aman wal iman was salama wal islam. And then he would say, Rabbi wa rabbukum Allah, hilal rushd wal khair. Which a beautiful thing. He said that, oh Allah, Allahumma, bring this upon us, and He let us see the month with peace, with faith, with tranquility, and with Islam. And he would say, our Rabb and your Rabb is Allah. And then this is the hilal, this is the month of guidance and blessings and khair. Beautiful. And then he would remind the people, Ataakum Ramadan, upon you is a month, the Shahr Ramadan, which the doors of Jannah are open and the doors of hellfire are closed and the shayateen are imprisoned. So this is the month that we should revive these sunan, that we should go back to the Quran, to the Sunnah. This is the month that we would cleanse ourselves. This is the beginning of the month of Ramadan. Let's make our intention to make it the most beneficial Ramadan ever.